You weren't here, Jimmy?
No, only me.
Glenn was looking in on it. We're separated. I worry.
So you have no idea who would want to trash
No.
Charlotte? Any suspicious phone calls?
Save it. I don't know shit.
Okay. Well, I told the other guy, so I'll tell you. If this feud blows back on any innocents, I will call Gang Task Force and have Charlie locked down. If you remember anything, give me a call.
Find my safe.
Hey, you trashed your mom's place.
I gotta fix this.
You will.
Thank you. You really handled this, babe. These charges low and us camping out here.